Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to delete or remove saved video from Facebook. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also want remove or delete Facebook saved video, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your Facebook, then press on three lines top right side corner. Then you can see here saved. Open this option. Now you can see here all your saved video. From here you delete or remove video which one you want. For example, I remove this video. Press on three dots, then press on unsave, then press on remove. You can see here video has been removed. That's it guys. So in this way you remove or delete saved video in Facebook. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.